Now we are going to discuss on the third type of variable, that is local variable. Okay, so local variable is nothing but, for example, I open here Eclipse. So here for your understanding, I make a class. So I close all. Yeah. Now I create a class with the name Calci. Calci is a class. In this Calci class, I'm going to make a method. So like void, you can make void. Okay, add is a method. Takes two arguments, integer x and y, and I make it integer z is equal to x plus y. So system.out.println, the addition of plus x plus and plus y plus is plus z. Now I make a main method. So I'm creating an object for Calci class. Calci is a class. I create object. Why? Because the method is not static. Now I'm accessing the method c dot add. Well, accessing the method, I'm passing an argument 23, 33. Okay. So the x and y, this variable get executed only inside the method add. Whenever the method add get executed, that time this x and y variable get executed. I'm passing as an argument. I'm passing the values to this argument. While calling the method, I'm passing the value. So it pass x value as 23 and I'm passing 33 is for y. So now I pass now. So whenever the method get executed, that time this variable get executed. Outside the method, we cannot access this variable. Like argument also you can do that, or inside a method you can make a variable. This also local variable. So the local variable is nothing but a variable which is passed like an argument inside a method, or inside a method if you make a variable, that variable we can call local variable. Those variables we can access only inside a method. Outside the method we cannot access. So if I run this program, I print the output. Okay. So here I make a method as not static, not non-static. You can make a method as static in this sense by using class name also you can access. Okay. So here we are discussing our local variable. I think that you know well. Okay. So same like that I make method like integer cube. Cube is a method, takes argument as 6. So previously I make a method as void. Void in the sense don't make return keyword. But at the same time the method now cube is a method which returns some integer value. So I make return type as integer in the sense you have to use return keyword. And I make it x into x into x. Now if I call this method, better I make this method as static. Static in the sense you can call directly by using class name also. Okay. Now if I need to access this method, so if I make here cube, so cube is a method, that is you can make calc.cube or only cube also can. Why? Because I'm then the same calc class, so I'm passing the value 10. So the method which is returning some integer value, that means if you pass 10, 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. So you can print this method. The method, if it is returning a value, you can print the value. We can print. I'm printing this method. If you print this method, you print the value. You can see the 1000. Or you can directly print the method, or you can assign this method to the integer variable. That means I can make it int result equal to, I just make like this. You can print result. Why? Because the method cube which returns integer value. I know well. That's what I asked for integer variable and I'm printing the variable. So if I run this one, I print. We can. Anyway, you can. Directly also you can print the method, or you can assign the method to the variable also you can. So this is an example for local variable. Now I think that people you can get a clear idea. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Hi students, if you really like my video, if you enjoy the video, please subscribe and like my channel. So I need your support. Thank you.